Welcome back everybody to the Average Model Dungeon. I'm gonna start calling that down here because I'm pretty much it is a dungeon at this point. Average Model Guy here, bringing you the final part to our 148 scale Revell Top Gun Maverick F-18 Super Hornet. We're gonna go ahead and get some decals on here, then we'll get a nice wash over it, then get it matte coated, get our landing gears and our weapons on this, including our drop tank, and then yeah, and then we're going to be good to call it done. Now, I was looking on my paint guide here and I messed up on the nose. I think I'm going to try to fix it. I need to come up to right where the slime light, right here. I need to bring the blue up there and then the black out to there as well, and then go around. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. I'll get it masked off and get it painted. I have to sand it down a little bit because I got that clear coat on there, but yeah, I'm gonna try and make it work because the nose just looked too white to me. So we'll get her fixed up, and then if I remember to hop back on here, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done and cleaned up. All right, here is what we've got left. We've got our landing gears, there's our wheels, and various other small parts for the landing gears, and then we've got our weapons up here. So I am going to finish getting these installed. I got to finish painting the missiles up there, but I'll get those taken care of. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit here. I went ahead and painted the sides of the wheels duck blue. Got those painted, landing gears painted white, so we'll go ahead and get these attached, get this jet up on some wheels, and I will be back once I show some more progress. All right, we have wheels. I like how it flat spots the wheels on these, so it's easier for it to sit down. But yep, we got our wheels on there. It was a little bit of a pain, but got them all in there and mounted, so turned out pretty good. Got it weathered on the inside. Gonna weather the landing gears themselves once it dries with the paint. I got the front one done because it dried. So, yep, looking good. We'll be back probably with the weapons that I'm going to do here. And yeah, we'll get those mounted, and then we're getting pretty close to being done. All right, I think we're gonna call this one done. I got all the decals are on. Landing gears are on. Just stuck with the sidewinders as far as missiles go for ordnance. I think I'm missing some of the bombs that were supposed to come with the kit. I could not find them in there. I do have the, I think they're, oh, I can't remember the name of what missiles they are. But anyways, I have those. I might end up just doing those and sticking them on later. But I think for as far as this build goes, I think we're gonna call it good. Let me zoom in on some of the details. See if we can, there we go. Zoom in a little bit. Made her a little weathered, but not too bad. Got our sidewinders on, painted. Back to our engines again. Come to the other side. Pretty much the same as the other side. Nothing too special. Let me see if I can get a little bit better light. There we go. On it. Around. We can zoom in on the cockpit there. Yep. All right, I'm gonna attempt to pick it up and show you the underside here. Here's our underside. Get it in some light here. Yeah, like I said, if I can find some 148 scale ordnance, I'll go ahead and put it up underneath there. Maybe post a picture and put it in an update video on the next build or something. But yeah, got her all done. I really enjoyed doing this one, especially with the paint job. Yeah, so If you enjoyed this build series, don't forget to give me a like, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thanks again for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it. Thanks you to all my new subs. I think I've gotten 20 new ones here recently, so it's been really great. I think we're, as the time of this video, I'm at 299, so almost to that 300. So I will see you guys in the next build. We'll have an unboxing coming up.